everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're doing a quick get ready with me. Smoo is already downstairs waiting for me. I'm going to my wholesale store today, then we go in for Chipotle, and then I don't know what else we're doing after that. So my face is already damp. I'm gonna go in with Day serum. It is a hyaluronic acid serum, which is just going to keep my skin plump and very dewy and moist throughout the day. It is raining. Oh snap, I didn't pick up any. It is raining in New York, so I do want to, I don't know, today I woke up and I feel like I just want to do a quick get ready with me. So that is that, and I'm not doing the long one. I'm just doing this right quick, and then I'm gonna go in with my turmeric butter just to make sure that I'm having a good old glow. Once I'm done, I'm going to go in with my strawberry creme body butter. So that is the fragrance of the day, strawberry cream. I'm just gonna make sure I get down here. Okay. And then I think the look for today is like all black, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. So let me just grab my body butter right quick. I'm going to go in with the Apple Blossom Lavender Free Body Oil that I got from Faith's Collections. And if you don't know, Faith's Collections is my brand. And then my skin is damp because I just came out of the shower. So like, if you are interested, definitely check out our website down below. It is currently 50% off, and I'm gonna go in with the strawberry creme body butter. This one is one that I use to make content, so the swirl is kind of like smushed or whatever, but I smell so good right now. See that? What greasy body butter. Y'all need to stop playing. Click the link down below. Okay, so I did already go through some clothing options, as you can see right here, but your girl was not feeling it. So it is raining, like I said, so I'm gonna put on these black leggings, and I think I'm gonna wear a windbreaker and a pea coat. And so now I'm going to put on this top. I had this top from Fashion Nova, so I'm going to put that on, and I think I want to do like a colored wig today, but we'll see how that go. Okay, so y'all, my niece do music, so that's why that is there. But this is what it looks like so far. My neck is still not 100% better, so let's put on shoes and jacket. Okay, so I had these sneakers for a while, so the box is kind of crushed, so I decided to put them in these boxes. So these are like women Nike Zoom sneakers, and I get them in a 7, but I had these for a while, but I don't really wear them like that because I'm more of like a UGG girl. So I'm just gonna pair these with it. Yeah, and it's okay if my top is a little dressy, because I don't know, I'm kind of thrown between like a pea coat and my bomber jacket, so I have to figure that out. So let me put that on, and then I'm gonna put my wig on, and then I'm gonna decide which one I'm wearing today. So now it's wig time. I wanted to wear another wig, but I have to press that one out. So this one right now is the fastest wig of the collection. So she gonna get worn today. Keep in mind, yeah, my neck's still not better. Let me put it in the like middle and then I come back. Okay, yeah, I know I said I was gonna wear a peacoat or a bomber, but I'm gonna wear my winter coat. And the fit is cute. Okay, so this is a fit. So now we missing the last thing, my bag and some lip gloss, because I can't go nowhere without lip gloss. So I'm thinking of like a clear today, nothing too dramatic. So let me grab the bag and let me grab my lip gloss and I'll be right back. So busy putting it on, I forgot to tell you guys. So I am using the Summer Sunrise lip gloss on my lip. It is a 24 karat gold lip gloss, period. Super girly, super cute. It moisturizes, hydrates, and protects my lips from the sun. So y'all know I had to get it. So definitely get yours while it's 50% off. Link down in the description, or visit this website right here to get yours today. But yeah, a little bit more for good luck. And lastly, the fragrance that I have on is the Burberry blush. So let's hurry up and go downstairs. Pear already called me like where I'm at. So I have my Tory Burch toe. I'll show you guys after, and then we'll do like a quick fit check if Pa want to come out the car and give me a you know, because sometimes he just be mad that I be taking so long. So but a little too much. Okay, so let's oh wait, let me show you guys my bag right quick. This is what it looks like. It is all black. I think you guys seen this bag in other videos before, and I have to find a way to clean it because it have like some white stuff on it that I just can't seem to get off. So if you have any tips on that, please let me know. Okay, so I just added a little bit of pigmented peach pie to the top. And now we're ready. Let's go. Say hi, Sue.
Hey.
Say something else. You always only say hey.
Because you just went off on me about my parlays not hitting. Like, shit not funny.
later, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Bye.
Happy New Year.